Hi, I'm Rolf. You're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf. Today we're doing a simple seasoned garlic butter. First thing I did was wrap my cutting board, just some cling wrap over the bottom. I did 6 cloves of garlic I minced. We're going to add in, I've got 1 tablespoon less than 2 sticks of butter. And that's been out softening for a while now. And we're going to use a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning has things like rosemary, oregano, and more jam, and depending on who makes it, it's got a bunch of other things. You can make your own. Store-bought's good. It works. And we smash it up. Get this all combined. And when it's combined, I'll be back and I'll show you how to roll it. Okay. We scoop them out onto the cling wrap. Even it out a little bit.
Hello, Moto.
And we peel it out from under. And we make a log and roll them up. Easy peasy. Now it's ready for the refrigerator. Pull it out a while before you need to use it, soften it up, and you can spread easily. That's all it takes, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.